Want to learn how to use Instagram Instants and share quick disappearing photos with your friends? In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram Instants on your phone. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once the app opens, tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen to open your inbox. In your inbox, look for the Instants section or the stack of photos that appears in the bottom right corner. If you're using the feature for the first time, you may see an introduction screen explaining how Instants work. Tap through the information to continue. Next, you'll see the camera screen where you can take a live photo. You can switch between the front and rear cameras by tapping the rotate camera icon. If needed, you can also turn the flash on or off using the flash icon. Before taking your photo, tap on Friends to choose who you want to share your instant with. Remember, Instants are designed for real-time sharing. So you can only take live photos, you can't upload images from your camera roll or edit the photo before sending it. To view your previous instance, tap the icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see all the instants you've shared in the past. If you tap on one of your previous instants, you can see whether anyone has reacted to it. To delete an instant, tap on the three-dot menu and then select Delete Instant. And that's it. You now know how to use Instagram Instants and share spontaneous moments with your friends. Thanks for watching.